Some pieces of land are measured in acres, others are measured in what they make possible. This property is woven into daily life. Steps from essential services, local dining, and the premier community of Bridgewater. This is 20 acres of opportunity, open ground in the heart of a growing community, surrounded by families, faith, and forward momentum. Next door, Garin Catholic High School. A place where academic excellence, athletics, and faith come together to form young leaders. Every game played, every award earned, every student shaped here reflects a mission grounded in service, discipline, and purpose. But what makes this opportunity truly unique isn't just its location, it's what happens next. The proceeds from this land will create extraordinary impact. $40 million donated to the Hamilton County Humane Society and $10 million donated to the Animal Protection League. Millions of dollars devoted to saving animals and giving them a second chance at life. This is more than a land sale. It's an opportunity to expand a legacy and leave the world more compassionate than we found it.